your pantry is starting to look like this, then it's time to join me for a pantry clean out. Hey everyone! So I don't know what happened, but our pantry was really nice and organized a few months ago, and then towards the end of the year we just sort of started shoving things in and then just like closing the door behind it. So right now, as you can tell, our pantry is quite a mess. And so now I'm gonna go through and start organizing everything. The top shelf, actually top two shelves, are for two of our brothers that are living here. And then the rest is kind of like a shared type of space, or my husband's and mine. So I'm gonna go through those two shelves are pretty much gonna leave alone, but the rest of it I'll be organizing it, and especially the bottom. So I'll go through and start with doing that now. We have a bunch of items that we just haven't used or eaten and are not expired, so are going to be donated. So definitely something to think about in your pantry. Try not to throw things away if someone else might be able to use them. Whose are these?
Andrew.
Am I?
Don't. I mean, or don't.
Sometimes people forget. Zena, what is that?
What's the
What
girl
is that?
Is it half eaten?
This is a mess in here. Make sure I'm still.
It was the ghost of Christmas past.
It's empty? Why is there an empty box in here?
There you go. Drop it.
This was like hung right here, right?
You have some. Oh, you have some gold sugar.
Well, how do we get this hung up?
You put a screw in the wall, honey. You get love.
This is a mess. How about this one? Will this one fit in there?
Actually, we already guessed.
What? Will this one fit?
Neither of them are gonna fit.
Seriously? Oh. This is pretty much garbage. This can go. This is gonna have to get cleaned out. Core. Ooh. What should we do with all these buns? Is somebody gonna eat them?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them.
These ones don't smell good.
No, I'm gonna eat them.
Oh, so vegetable buns. All right, so the pantry is officially done. It's gonna give you a quick tour and then you'll be able to see the before and after. So that part I kind of left the same since those are for two brothers. But right here. And this is our side that we usually use for daily food items. So this is like a normal eating type shelf. This is the baking area. And then here I use some containers. So this one has all sprinkles in it. This one is all like cookie cutter type things. This one's all cupcake liners. And then this is all types of other baking items here. So like M&Ms, I have a little container that I use just for food coloring, because I have so many. And then I have bags up here. Mission complete. All right, so if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share. And let me know if you did your pantry, how your pantry turned out, because I'd love to hear about that too. And maybe even pictures if you're able to include that somehow. So anyways, we'll see you soon. Thank you.